Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add effects or apply effects to your video on the IntroTube application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, double tap on your video that you want to edit, and then you should tap on this stars icon in the middle of the screen and click on add new effect. Here you can find a bunch of categories at the top, such as intro, line, circle, and so on. So tap on the relevant category and you are going to find the effects available to you. As you can see, there are a bunch of other effects that are only available to premium users of the application. They are indicated with the star icon in the upper right corner of the box. So tap on the relevant one that you want to insert. Here you can see it, you can make it bigger and smaller, and you can select where would you like to put it. All you have to do is sliding to the right side of the screen till you find that one clip where you want to insert the effect. After you are done, you can also animate it, so tap on the animation button. Here you can find these options and also the keyframe. In the keyframe section you can customize it, rotate it, and select its size, opacity, and so on. So click on the done button if you are done with editing it, and see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.